Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this particular question without the use of any calculator. So the first thing which we are going to do is bifurcate this power 5 here. So this will be written as 23 raised to the power 4 plus 1 minus of 23. Now after this step we are going to use a property of exponent that says that a raised to the power m plus n can be written as a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. So if you notice here, when we apply this particular power, so this is 23 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 23 raised to the power 1 minus of 23. Now from this particular set of equations, as you can see, we can take out 23 as common. So let's take out 23 as common. So this would be 23 taken out as common, 23 raised to the power 4 minus of 1. Now this power 4 here can be written as 23 square, and then we'll put another square out of it minus of 1, and in place of 1 also we'll write this as 1 square. Now as you can see, if we take this as a and if we take this as b, then this looks like the identity of a square minus b square, which is a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So let us multiply that. So that is 23 multiplied by 23 square minus 1 multiplied by 23 square plus 1. Now let us calculate the value of 23 square. So if you want to calculate the value of 23 square, this can be written as 20 plus 3 whole square. Now 20 plus 3 whole square, in this case we'll be using the identity of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us use this particular identity in this one. So this would be 23 square, that is 20 square plus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square. So the value of 23 square would be 400 plus 120 plus 9. And when you add all these numbers together, this comes out to be 529. So that means now the original question would be 23 multiplied by 529 minus 1 multiplied by 529 plus 1. So this is 23 multiplied by 528 multiplied by 530. Now let us dissolve this. So this would be written as 23 multiplied by 500 plus 28, and then this would be 500 plus 30. So if we take this as x and this as a, and if we take this as x again and this as b, so this looks like x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So in this case, when you multiply x plus a and x plus b, what you get is x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So that means this can be written as 23 multiplied by 500 square plus 500 multiplied by 28 plus 30 plus 28 multiplied by 30. Now when you solve this entire equation, this would be 23 multiplied by 500 square is 2500 plus 500 multiplied by 58 plus 28 multiplied by 30. And when you solve this entire equation, the final answer that you get is 6436320. So this right here is the final answer to this particular problem. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.